I got this method to work on an iMac that was over a decade old and used the High Sierra Mac operating system. Click on the Launchpad on the bottom dashboard so that we can start the application that will allow us to write command line prompts. In the search bar, type in Terminal, and then click on this application to launch it. You can check which version of Python you currently have by typing what you see above at the command prompt. Then, you can run the above statement to install the software. I've already done this, so my system returns a requirement already satisfied message. Type Python 3 at the prompt, then click Enter to go into version 3 of Python. Your prompt will probably change. Then at the Python prompts, you want to type in the above 3 lines of code. Make sure to click Enter after each line. Lastly, you can look in the Finder to find your test output.mp3 file. This is the file that will contain the conversion of your text to speech.